Howdy, I'm Andy Lee with Family History Fanatics, and I'm here to help you understand your DNA. Today, we have a question from our viewer, Susanna Renberg. She says, I suspect that my grandparents are first cousins. So I have tested my mother and my aunt in the Are Your Parents Related tool. They come from a small town in northern Sweden with endogamy, and my grandmother was adopted. My mother got the result. This analysis indicates that your parents are probably not related within recent generations. But my aunt got two segments, 15 centimorgans and 7 centimorgans, total of 22.8 centimorgans. Does the Are Your Parents Related result rule out that my grandparents are first cousins? Okay. This is a good one to draw out. So let's go over to our drawing tablet here and draw it out. Now, normally I draw from the top down, but in this case, we're going from Susan or Susanna back to her grandparents. So we'll start here at the bottom. So we have Susanna, and she has a mother and a father. And this, it looks like it is all indicated on the mother's side. So we're going to ignore the father for right now. Now, her mother has a sister because that is the aunt that is being tested as well. And then we have her grandparents. Okay, so this is what is known right now. We have grandparents. They have two kids, and one of them has another kid who is Susanna. So we have an aunt over here that was tested and a mom here that was tested. What is suspected now is that these two grandparents are first cousins. So that means if we go here, we draw their parents. And that means that those parents would have to be siblings in order for them to be first cousins. So if these were first cousins here, they would be sharing 12.5% of their DNA along this line here. Normally, as you're passed down from the aunt and the mom, this is the normal, you would expect siblings to have 50% of their DNA. Okay, that's shared. It's not exactly 50%, but it's 50% on average. And that's with two unrelated parents. But when the parents are related, you're going to be getting extra because, like I said, these two already share 12.5% of their DNA that is the same. So you could get part of that to the aunt from the father, and you could get part of that from the mom through the mother, but it's going to look like it came through the same person. So this is going to be plus 1/2 of whatever that relationship that these two people have. That's 12.5%. So really, in the end, what this equals is 56.25% of shared DNA. So what you're going to see between, if you're comparing your aunt and your mom's DNA, you should be seeing more than 50%, most likely. Here's the caveat though. Because it's not exact, it's a range. And so siblings don't share exactly 50%. They might share between 45% and 55% DNA. Just like first cousins don't share exactly 12.5%, they might share 8% to 16% DNA. And so when you think about that and add it together, if you're on the low end on both of them, 45% and 8%, well, that adds up to 53%. That's still in the normal range for siblings. That's not an abnormal, number for siblings. So only part of the time are you going to be able to tell just by comparing your aunt and your mom. And that is if you're sharing more than 56.25%. Well, no, but even then, because if we go on the high side, High side would be like 55%. Yeah. So if you're sharing more than about 55% of DNA with your sibling, so her mom and her aunt, then you have really good evidence that there is another relationship. And the higher that is, the more likely it is. So for instance, if you were sharing, let's say 60% or even as much as 65%, which is possible, that is almost definite that you have two relationships going on here. And because of that high number, that relationship is probably first cousins. So there's a better way to answer this question than the are your parents related tool, because you have your mom and your aunt's DNA. The are your parents related tool really has limits in that it's not looking at SNPs and segments the way that a one-to-one comparison is looking at stuff. It's using something called runs of homozygosity to determine parts that might be, from the same lineage. To answer your question, does the are your parents related to rule out my grandparents are first cousins? No, I don't think so at all, because it's very difficult to rule that out with the are your parents related tool. But since you have your aunt and your mom, I would do the one-to-one comparison with them and see how much DNA they're sharing between themselves. Because if it's in the 50% range, then they're probably not first cousins. Your grandparents are probably not first cousins. If it's over 60%, it's almost definitely that your grandparents are first cousins. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to watch another video about DNA, watch this one right up here.